Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer? How they seem to effortlessly generate wealth and live a life of luxury? Well, my friend, get ready to uncover the secret behind their success. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of finance and unveil the 10 ways rich people make money with debt. Way 1. Leveraging real estate. Rich individuals know that investing in properties can be one of the most lucrative ventures. By strategically using debt, they acquire valuable assets that appreciate over time, generating a steady passive income. Way 2. Stock market manipulation. While the average investor buys stocks, the wealthy know how to play the game differently. They use margin accounts to multiply their investments while minimizing risk, thus maximizing their potential returns. Way 3. Financing businesses. Rather than using their own capital, the rich turn to debt to fund their entrepreneurial endeavors. This allows them to expand their businesses while preserving their personal wealth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Travel hacking. Yes, even the jet setters find ways to make money with debt. By utilizing credit card reward programs, they can earn airline miles and hotel points, allowing them to travel the world in style without breaking the bank. Way 5. Arbitrage opportunities. Rich individuals possess an eagle eye for financial discrepancies. They exploit temporary price differences across markets, utilizing debt to take advantage of these opportunities and make a tidy profit. Way 6. Venture capital investments. The wealthy understand the power of investing in cutting-edge startups. By leveraging their wealth through debt, they can fund promising entrepreneurs and enjoy significant returns when these companies hit it big. Way 7. Fine art acquisitions. The rich utilize debt to own masterpieces by renowned artists. Not only can these art pieces appreciate in value over time, but they also provide a unique and prestigious asset for their portfolios. Way 8. Luxury asset financing. From yachts to private jets, the wealthy understand that these assets can be more than just status symbols. They leverage debt to finance these luxury items, while simultaneously generating revenue by renting them out. Way 9. Debt as a negotiation tool. Rich individuals know that debt can be a powerful bargaining chip. By strategically using financing options, they can negotiate better terms, maximize profits, and secure advantageous investment opportunities. Way 10. Investing in education and personal development. The wealthy understand that expanding their knowledge and skills is key to their success. By utilizing debt to finance advanced degrees or attending seminars, they ensure a continuous flow of valuable information that can propel their careers forward. And there you have it, the 10 ways rich people make money with debt. It's time to change our perception of debt from something negative to a powerful tool for financial success. Remember, these strategies require careful consideration and diligence. Now, it's your turn to think big, to explore new possibilities, and to unlock your own financial potential. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below for more insider tips on wealth creation. Together, we'll unleash the power of debt for your financial freedom.